What's up, guys? I'm coming at you today with my weekly update on my keto diet. I'm going to talk about a few things here. I want to apologize for being late, and let's get on with this. So I do want to apologize a little bit here. I have been slacking on this keto updates for the last week or two. We'll double check and title this correctly. I think it might be week 13. I'm not sure though. So I did weigh myself. This is my weight currently. I have not really changed that much if you could go back and look. But that's okay. That's kind of what I'm talking about this time. For the last 2 weeks I've been kind of on and off. That might be some of my excuse for not doing it because I didn't want to talk to you guys, but that's my whole point to do this accountability here. The other thing is I've just been really busy. I've been creating some other videos with my family, with my kids, baseball, sports season. But yeah, I just want to say sorry. But don't forget to like this, subscribe to me, keep going with my journey and my family's journey and everything else going on. Hopefully you guys are doing good. Hopefully anyone's on this doing good. If you haven't started and you have any questions, I can give you my opinion on this stuff. Remember, this is all my opinions on this whole keto diet and what it has done for me, how much I've lost, how I felt good, how I felt bad, my ups and downs and everything in between. So, but this is all about community. YouTube is a community, so let's do this. Let's do this upright. So like I said, I have slacked a little bit. I have eaten some things that are keto. I'm not even sure if I'm in ketosis right now. I'm probably not, but that's okay. I am getting back on. I've been doing a lot better this week. My goal is to lose at least another 10 or 15 pounds, and then I would like to actually start leaning out, lowering that overall body fat count, which is going to be hard. I know that's a hard part, but I feel like I can do it. I have not really tried any new recipes, which is probably somewhat of a downfall too. We haven't really had time to go shopping, get the right stuff, so I've been winging it here. But like, you know, keto, it's pretty easy to go and get food somewhere. Wendy's, McDonald's, just don't get a bun, get a burger, we're good. Salad, actually, Dairy Queen has a pretty nice salad, BLT salad with grilled chicken. It's not too bad. If you never had it, you can try it. And like I said, if you don't know me, I work full time. I do this on the side. I love creating. No small creators. I love that idea there. I also go to school. I'm working on a master's program, and I got my 5 kids. Life with 5. It's great. Dad's life. Staying busy. It's just a quick update for the last couple of weeks where I've been, why I haven't been updating. Like I said, it's kind of a mix of being really busy to not doing very good and maybe hiding from you guys a little bit, but here I am. I'm back. I want to get back on this accountability. Keep sending comments. Let me know what you think. If you got anything new, any mishaps along the way, any new good stuff you've had to eat, let me know. I'm always about that kind of stuff. I actually have a trip coming up in a month and a half or so that I wanted to lose a couple more pounds before I go. So excited about that. My anniversary's coming up, my big 10 years, so I'm really excited about that. Like I said, like this video. Dislike it if you don't. That's okay. Subscribe if you want to keep up with me. Hit that bell so you know when I post a video. And I'm going to keep throwing some mix of stuff in here. Like I said, I do my family vlogs. Check them out if you want to. I do some tech tutorials as well. If you want to see anything specific, I'm all about video. I love creating video and stuff. I'm thinking about trying to look up some old pictures of me and kind of do a comparison on one of my videos coming up. Let me know if you want to see that. You can really see the difference in my face. I don't know if you guys can see it if you watch some of my earlier videos. It's always nice to see the progress people are having because it gives yourself some motivation knowing it's possible. So if you guys want to see that, let me know. I would definitely incorporate those in the future videos. As always, thanks for watching. Thanks for being there. Thanks for making me accountable for my diet here. And I'm glad to say it is still on a positive note. I still want to keep going, and I'm getting back to this. Hopefully I get back to ketosis and lose that next 10 to 15 pounds. And until next time, let's get out of here.